Hello everyone, we are group number 8 and we consist of Alicia Johansson, Maria Ibanez, and Lillian Banderas. Our StockTrak name is LAM08. Our goals for this project were to reach a 3% return on our portfolio, earn back all our money, and rank in the top 50. When we started, we wanted to maintain ourselves as safe investors and take a conservative approach. But as you will see in the next slide, it wasn't making us the progress we wanted. We came to the understanding that in order to reach expectations, we needed to take a little risk. So our approach went from conservative to a mixed philosophy. Our schedules didn't allow us to meet as often as we wanted to. So we came to the agreement to individually research and share our findings on days we did meet, and decide what our next task would be. To research, we used finance websites such as Yahoo Finance and MSN Money to better our understanding on stocks we were interested in. Our research included looking at historical data, betas, and earnings per share. The resources on StockTrak, like the Stock Scouter, the graphs, and our trading information also helped us to establish our plans. This is the graph showing how our group's portfolio did over the 10 weeks. As you can tell by our graph, our conservative approach was not making the kind of progress we were aiming for. So we tried taking some risks and bought some stocks that had higher betas. We were able to manage our portfolio so that it increased gradually and at a higher rate than before. As you can see, at times we did not do so well in our new approach, but our goals were more attainable with our new mixed philosophy. This slide serves to show everyone the stocks we invested in.
Here we present to you the top 3 key players. They are Pepsi, Time Warner, and Johnson & Johnson. We want to bring these 3 to the light because they were the most profitable investments in our portfolio. Our group believed these stocks played a positive role in our StockTrak investment challenge. Our benchmark for this assignment were SPY QQQ stock. They are mirrors of the market and are key to help us determine how well our portfolio was doing. These are the stocks we compared our top 3 most profitable stocks to.
Here we have our top 3 lined up with the benchmark stocks, SPY and QQQ, for a comparison. The SPY stock is the black line and the QQQ stock is the green line. The brown line represents Time Warner, the orange line represents Johnson & Johnson, and the purple line represents Pepsi. As you can see, the other 3 lines are well above the benchmarks. They performed well with Pepsi and Johnson & Johnson having ideal betas of 0.45 and 0.53 respectively. Time Warner had the higher beta of 1.02 and was the highest earner. Our top 3 weren't only profitable, they also showed our mixed philosophy at work.
There were only 2 stocks that we decided were not good investments, which led us to sell them. These 2 stocks were Google and ExxonMobil. We assumed Google to be a safe investment and would give us a good return. However, as we waited for the stock to do well, we saw it fall instead, and decided to sell it because we believed it would hinder our goal expectations. As for ExxonMobil, initially we were comfortable with the stock. It had an ideal beta of 0.98, then 0.92. Plus, it had good ranking with the Stock Scouter. However, we became uncomfortable with the money we began to lose and decided it was a bad investment, which led us to sell it. This is a snapshot of our end results to the StockTrak challenge. Our portfolio was valued at $102,099.27, which fulfilled our goal to get all of our money back with a little over $2,000 more. We ranked at 42, which covered our goal of being in the top 50. Lastly, we had a portfolio return of 2.1%, which was just a bit shy of 3%. Our group was satisfied with the outcome. We felt our goals were realistic and we fulfilled most of them. We were proud of our overall performance for this assignment. Financial knowledge was gained and we learned the value of setting goals. having benchmarks, and paying attention in class. Served as a learning tool to better understand the market.